Hello, hello, my real estate friends. I hope you're having the best day today. We are about to get into some really good April marketing strategy ideas and pop buys for your real estate business. So I'm really excited for today. These are pop buy and marketing ideas that not only you can use for pop buys, but you could actually use them for your open houses, for meeting new clients and all of that. So we're going to cover them. I've got some good ones here. Some of these you may have seen before, maybe not. But if you are new here, welcome. Typically once a month, I'll kind of go through and give some little ideas here and there on what you might could use for your real estate business and marketing, or your small business. It doesn't necessarily, I guess, have to be real estate. But in any case, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get my screen pulled up and we're just going to get right into it. Now, the website that I am referring to is actually over on the back end of my website. And so I will leave this link below in the description. So if you want to check this out and kind of play around with it and look at other months and all of that, definitely feel free to do that. You can come here and just skip right straight to the month that you're looking for or the season that you're mostly interested in. So we've got some good ones. And this first one right here, I had to share this because I just thought it was so adorable. And it's like super simple to do, right? So check this out. She's got like a little brown paper bag. She's going to cut the little V shape out of it, right? Add some snacks in there, some grass, tie a little bow on there. How cute is that? Super simple, super affordable, but this would be really cute for your open houses, pop buys, or meeting clients for the first time. So like if you don't know, or if you've seen my other pop buy ideas, you know that when I do pop buys, I typically will make extra. So that way anybody that I might be meeting in that coming month or two, then I'll just bring them one with me. So if it's a buyer, one. If it's a seller, I'll bring them one. And I've actually gotten listings from my little pop by gifts that I left behind. So it definitely is just a way to stand out and all of that. But I just thought that was really cute. So I wanted to share that one with you. This is an all-time favorite right here. You've probably seen this before, but how cute would this be to create and leave at your open house? And then you know how if they leave you feedback, they can enter the drawing, like enter a drawing, give feedback for a drawing or whatnot. So maybe the prize would be the tree, the lollipop tree or something, just something fun like that. And it's so colorful in spring. And I mean, you could make one of these if you have a closing. You could make one of these and tie a little bow on it and leave it on the kitchen counter as like a welcome home, just something super simple, very affordable and just fun. This I definitely thought would be a great idea for open houses. It looks pretty simple to do, pretty inexpensive. I am no baker. And but this is pretty much done for you. So she looks like she went to Walmart. She got a cheesecake, right? uh Melted some chocolate down, probably added some to the chocolate, dips the cheesecake in there with a little popsicle stick. I mean, of course she makes it look easy. I mean, but I think we can do it. Little Oreo sprinkle on there, so cute. But yes, they could take a little carrot with them at the open house. It's just fun, simple. It's a cute little sweet treat. This one does not have a video, but I just thought the colors were beautiful. And it's the oh so famous Peeps and all the different colors. It looks like they just added it on a little skewer stick. They added a little cello bag and a colorful ribbon. Boom, done. Super simple, easy, colorful, pretty, all the things. So those are some video ideas and image ideas for you there. Now, this month, I do have the Realtor April Pop by Tag bundle, and it's $5, of course, on sale. But you get 3 templates with this. The first template is actually this Amy's bunny bait. And oh no, I think I took it off, but in any case, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see that with the green screen in the back. But anyway, you put your name here, right? And it's the bunny bait. And then on the back of it, you can put your own little branding. But the template, you get this template, right? But the concept is Amy's bunny bait directions. Sprinkle this on your lawn tonight. The moon will make it shine so bright. As the Easter bunny hops and roams, this will guide him to your home. And so it's for your clients that have the little ones, right? So you just drop this off. You can do a mixture of anything. I mean, it could literally be sprinkles, some glitter, some edible glitter. I don't know. You could just make it super fun. Very, very inexpensive. This is a cello bag. I got the whole pack of the cello bags at the Dollar Tree. I just cut them down so they weren't super big. And I just used double-side tape on mine when I did mine. I didn't do them this year, but last year when I did them, I just did double-side tape. So hopefully this gives you some inspiration there. But you can click there to grab the Popeye tag bundle if you want to get that. Peach Cobbler Day, April the 13th, super simple. Again, this is also one of the templates that you get over here. And of course, they all come with social media posts, so you get a post to match it. But you can probably get peach cobbler, a pack of peach cobbler at the Dollar Tree. I mean, really, you probably could. This is $2.97 at the Walmart. It's 8 ounces. Pretty box, very nice, colorful box. It kind of looks summery, springy, springy kind of vibe. Add a little bow on there, boom, done for like $3 a house. Okay. So that's one you could do. If you want to get fancy and add the little clear bags, you could do that, or you could even just do a little bag of peaches from your local grocery store if you want to do that. The peach tissue paper, can't go wrong with that. That's just fun altogether. And then let's see, of course, we have Easter, which is April the 20th. This could be a little flower, but the whole concept behind the tag is, let's see, your referrals help my business grow. Happy Easter from my home to yours. Boom, done. All right. So there's that one. Now I did find these little succulents on Amazon, and you get, I want to say they're like $1.90 per piece, per one. You get 32 of them for $60. And then to match that would be these little craft bags. Watch me grow. Just add your referrals help my business grow tag on that and give them out, and your Popeyes are done. I do want to mention one thing really quick on these Popeyes. I was on Reddit the other day, and I thought it was important to bring this up. I don't know why. I'm just going to bring it up anyway. I was on Reddit the other day, and some lady, I guess it was like a homeowner, and she was like, my agent keeps calling me and texting me and leaving these little like catch-up gifts, and like, they're Popeyes is what they are, right? But the homeowner doesn't understand that. The point I wanted to make is that if you are doing Popeyes and you're doing them every single month and you're just on your game, that is fantastic. That is great. But I do want to have a little reminder that, these clients, this is their home. It's kind of like their safe space. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. You might not want to knock on the door every time you go or send them a text every time you go. For me, I don't do Popeyes every month. I wish I had the time for that. I don't. But in any case, I try to do mine once a quarter to go with the season, right? So I'll pick one of these ideas that I really like for the year, and I'll just kind of roll with that for that season. If I'm doing a tangible item. If not, I just do a digital item. Like I think I have them out for, like spring. I did the spring 30-day declutter challenge. I have this in the Etsy shop too if you want that, but I don't take them anything. I just email it to them, right? For the month, for this season, for spring. For me, that's what I did. But in any case, when I do take items to their home, I literally just leave it on the doorstep and I leave. Right. And it's just the whole concept is, yes, to keep you top of mind, leave them a little gift, and a lot of times the most cheesiest, corniest ones are the ones that get the best results. And a lot of times some of my clients will take a picture of it and text me, thank you, or whatever. It's just a way to stay top of mind. Don't expect, I guess, and maybe you're not like this, and if not, that's cool. But if you are kind of like new and don't really know how to treat these, my best advice and suggestion that I could give would be just take the gift, leave it. You don't have to call them, you don't have to text them, you don't have to knock on their door. That's kind of their little space. You know what I'm saying? So just kind of leave the gift and leave. And I hope I'm saying that correctly. Let me know what you do in the comments. Like, do you knock on the door, call, text, or anything like that? Because I'm really curious to know. I never did. I never did. If they happen to be outside, I'd be like, "Hey, how you doing? I got you a little present," and I'd give it to them, but I never really did that. So I wanna know what you do and how you do your pop buys. Do you do them every month, or do you do them once a quarter or once a season? That's kinda how I've been doing mine for the past couple of years. But anywho, I hope you got some motivation and some inspiration for your pop buys, for your open houses and little client meetup, little gifts, and you found something. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you found something, or if you saw something today that you liked the most, I'd love to hear you. And so yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, let's get out there. Let's get it. Love you. Bye.